If you want to get to $1 million a month in your business, you must do this one thing first. I'm going to share with you exactly what that is and how to do it in just a moment. But first, picture this. It's December 31st and you're popping champagne on a mega yacht in Miami, celebrating the most incredible year of your life. Your business has quantum leaped to $1 million a month, your relationships are thriving, and you're living the life you've always dreamed of. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the thing. If you're like most seasoned entrepreneurs, this vision feels like pie in the sky, as my dad would say. I don't know what that term means, where he got it from, but that's what he would say. Pie in the sky. It's never gonna happen. You set big, hairy, audacious goals for 2025 or 2026 and beyond, but deep down, you have a nagging doubt that you can actually achieve them. Because, hey, you've set goals before and you haven't hit them, right? This self-doubt causes you to lose motivation and procrastinate. Even worse, it stops you from taking the actions needed to achieve your business goals. Does that sound familiar? If so, you're not alone. And last week, at my workshop, I shared the solution to this common problem. You see, the workshop was phase 1 of my $1 Quantum Leap framework, proven system for obliterating stucks and plateaus so you can quantum leap your revenue to $1 million a month. The first step of this framework is the Self-Image Alchemy Protocol, a 3-step process for rewiring your mind for success. Here's how it works. In order to change your self-image, the first step is you need to craft a new self-image. You need to decide who you want to be, who you want to become. So using my new Self-Image Alchemy template, you create a vivid, detailed vision of the person you need to become to crush your 2025 goals. Because if you don't know where you're going, you'll never get there. The second step is to install your new identity with something I call divine quantum visualization. Once you've nailed down your new self-image, you'll use a powerful visualization technique to hardwire it into your subconscious mind. This process aligns your inner world with your outer goals, eliminating self-sabotage. This unlocks your full potential and allows you to attract the situations to turn your dream into reality as soon as possible. And then the third step is to embody your new self with Tony Robbins' Power Move. So the Power Move is a technique I learned from Tony Robbins that allows you to anchor your new identity in your body and behaviors. I'm actually going to be spending 5 days with him literally next week because he doesn't live too far from me here in Palm Beach, Florida. By doing your Power Move, you'll turbocharge your transformation and make your goals inevitable. And when you combine these 3 secrets, magic happens. Your self-doubt evaporates, replaced by unshakable confidence and laser focus. You start taking massive, consistent action towards your goals, and success becomes a matter of when, not if. But here's the thing, you don't have to go it alone. Since 2008, I've helped countless entrepreneurs just like you quantum leap their businesses and lives using this exact framework. And next Thursday, I'm going to be doing another live workshop called the New Self-Image Alchemy to take you through this 3-step framework. And in fact, there's a 4th bonus step that I'm going to be taking you to so that you can truly hit your goals in 2025, especially if you want to hit $1 million a month. So I hope that you do want to hit $1 million a month. Come on this workshop if you do want to hit $1 million a month in your business, because I'm going to show what you need to be doing phase 1 to get there. And as I said, phase 1 is transforming your self-image, and then it's taking the actions to get you there. So click the link in the comments to learn more, and so you can secure your ticket for the live workshop, the New Self-Image Alchemy, happening next Thursday, the 5th of December at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I'll see you there.